Shadows move on the white walls, mixing shimmering with bright colors. You are slowly but surely creating cracks in my eyes. Castle, the room is filled with sounds of passing cars. I don't want to play this role anymore. I became a magnet. You plucked the last petal. I didn't say it was the last time. Looks like it's you behind me. Oh, the shackles are falling. Oh, that's my thunder. So when the strength is over, oh, I'm gonna let my body blow. So what are you waiting? Oh, if I'm a wish about me, no, but I'm becoming fire. Oh, I'm making an explosion. Your eyes flicker like a camera flash. You're able to capture every detail, but every time it feels like whiplash. When you do it again, I forget what happened before. Do I just exist now? All I said before, set to zero. It's a glitch, unforgettable, significant things. Different feeling between you and me. The shackles are falling. Oh, that's my thunder. So when the strength is over, oh, I'm gonna let my body blow. So what are you waiting? Oh, if I'm a rich about me, no, but I'm becoming fire. Oh, I'm making an explosion. The shackles, 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 the shackles are falling. It's my thunder. When the strength is over, I'm gonna let the body blow. So what are you waiting? If I'm a rich about me, but I'm becoming fire. I'm making an explosion. Make it explode.